swag, bitch.
Hey yo, what is up people? This is TechSav here and I'm here to tell you not to buy this power bank ever. So this is the MI Power Bank 2i which I bought just 3 months ago. You can check out the unboxing and first impression video right in the iCard above. And now I'm just gonna unbox this and tell you my story. First of all, let me tell you that it has a unibody design with a metallic finish to it and looks quite nice in my opinion, but works in my everyday use. It got a few scratches here and there. As you can see near the micro USB port there are a few scratches, but as soon as I power it on you can see that it has 3 bars of charge. That means it can charge my device alright, but once this charge gets over I cannot charge this device anymore, and that is the most frustrating part. Now I can show you that this guy can charge up my device alright, but that is just for now. Once this bank runs out of juice, I cannot put more juice in there. It's done and dusted after that. Now apart from a few scratches here and there, I got a big dent right in the middle of the power bank. Well, not in the middle, but anyway. So I got this dent by throwing off my phone on top of this power bank while the power bank lay flat on bed, and that is how it got dented. Now comparing it to my older power bank, and this was by Ambrain and I got it from Amazon like a year and a half ago, and it was really sturdy and well built. Although it was made with plastic, but this ran for 1.5 year whole without any problem, and it went through terrible abuse in my day-to-day use, and my abuse really means and after all this you just have to clip this on like this and it was ready to go again. So after it stopped working, I went to the nearest MI service center which is near my college, and all they said was that this guy cannot be repaired as it has a unibody design and can only be replaced. But guess what? Remember this dent? That made all the difference right there, and according to them it was a physical damage and it is against their policies to replace a power bank with a physical damage, and they said that that is the reason it stopped charging. And I don't think so. It charged well and good after the dent was made, and all they said was I can only throw this away in my dustbin, so I'm just gonna such a relief. Alright, so that was the power bank. So I also wanted to show you these cool new accessories which I got. So this is a pop socket, and that is a new case for my iPhone 10. So this is the Spigen Neo Hybrid case which I got from Spigen.in, and it has a really cool design and fits well for my device, and that is the pop socket. So these were the accessories which I got as gifts from my girlfriend for my birthday, and I love them all. So you can follow me on my Instagram to keep up to date with my tech life and to follow news and all. I post there every day, so you can connect with me, comment there. All the links will be down in the description box, so check those out. Now if you're wondering what a pop socket is, I made a video about it previously. You can tap the iCard above and check it out. So that is all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that like button, and also do subscribe to my channel as I come up with new videos all the time. Until next time, peace out.